Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some easy, quick and delicious Palak Paneer filling for sandwiches, samosas, parathas and for spring rolls. I hope you find this recipe very useful and helpful. So keep watching till the end. So here I've already heated a vessel and into it I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and allow the oil to turn hot. Once the oil is turned hot, I'm going to add the whole spices. Here goes in few cinnamon pieces, 2 peppercorns, 2 cloves, a big pinch of fennel seeds and 1 cardamom pod. Allow the spices to crackle in this oil so that they release their flavors, and then goes in 2 medium-sized onions which are finely chopped. Now saute the onions till it turns soft and then stir fry it till it turns aromatic. While the onions are getting cooked, this is 150 grams of paneer which I've crumbled it well and marinated it with 1/4 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder and a pinch of pepper powder. This is palak which I've cleaned, washed and cut into fine pieces, soaking it in water until it is required. Back to checking the onions have turned soft, stir frying it for some more time. Here goes in 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, give that a good mix and let the raw smell reduce. Then add the palak and mix well and stir fry it till it wilts down. Then goes in 1/4 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, roasted cumin powder and pepper powder. Then goes in 1 slit green chili. Now give all this a good mix. By then at this stage the palak is almost cooked, so give this a good mix and let the raw smell of the spices reduce. Once the spices are cooked well, add the crumbled paneer and give that a good mix. Now we need to cook the paneer while stir frying it. Will take around 2 minutes. Then check for salt and add if required. Add garam masala, that is 1/4 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Give a good mix. To add a crunch, I'm adding half finely chopped onion and giving that a mix. Here we're not going to cook any more further. Turn off the heat. Now squeeze few drops of fresh lemon. Give that a mix. And a palak paneer filling is ready for sandwiches, for samosas, spring rolls, to make paneer paratha, and also you can use this as a side dish. Garnish with lemon and few coriander leaves. Now let me make a sandwich out of this filling. So here I'm going to spread enough amount of Szechuan chutney. You can also spread butter or any sauces of your choice. Then I'm going to fill generous amount of this palak paneer mixture. This is one of the best ways that I find to make my children eat vegetables and paneer. Give that a good press, and now you can slice it into any shape of your choice. You can grease some butter on a pan and toast the bread or serve it as such. So this is my quick way of making an evening snack or a lunchbox recipe with paneer and palak. I hope you found this video very helpful and easy to understand. Do let me know if you tried this recipe and share your experience in the comment section below. Thank you so much for visiting and watching this. Take care. Bye-bye.